Trillwave is a subgenre of music that I'm not gonna be explaining because explaining shit is for nerds and I fucking hate nerds. I'm just gonna do one of these, man, and shit, you know what I'm saying? And shit's like fucking some other ones and shit, but I'm gonna be doing one of these ones and shit. Kind of. Fuck it. So, let's see, like, I was listening to some Final Fantasy music, right? I'm always listening to Final Fantasies. And Final Fantasy X, you know what I'm saying? This track right here is going brazy. It's going big brazy. I know I had to sample this shit. So let's download it and put this fucking shit in this fucking bitch fucking bullshit. And then we just don't chop it up. You know what I'm saying? It's like you Benny honest shit, chopping it up. Chopping up dope, you know what I'm saying?
That's one fried bologna, yoni.
Got this fucking bullshit or whatever and shit, it's fucking bullshit or whatever and shit, so I'm just gonna put this bullshit in this bullshit and then put some fucking something. Now it's these fucking cowbell shit. You gotta put one of them bitches. For these stupid ass drums, I'm just gonna do some copying this DJ Paul and Juicy J for the kick, then some DJ Paul and Juicy J for the 808. The rest of this shit is just, fuck it, just made it. So now it's like the beats like pretty much done and all that shit or whatever and shit, so it's like this acapella and shit, so it's like, had to get a hood classic, you know what I'm saying? I was like, hey, this one will sound good on this shit, so let's fucking put that shit in this fucking shit. Sometimes virtual DJ sounds better than the other shit. Cool. Virtual DJ, you know what they do? They got one fucking button, man, and you sync it, and that's it. FL Studio, it's like, I was gonna go on a rant about how FL Studio doesn't make it simple enough, because it's true, they don't make it fucking simple enough. You know what they should do is they should just have a button that says like sync or some shit. It doesn't need to be this complicated. Just make a button that says sync. Fucking make it or don't make it, who fucking cares. Look, a virtual DJ is free and it kind of fucking sucks ass, but it's good, but it's like, hey man, alright, so what I used to do is I used to get like a little slice of this shit, and then I used to sync it up that way, right? Because it's like, if the little one,
about my car,
and then you stretch it out, and then the whole thing should be synchronized.
bitch with no fucking name.
Nah, man, what you can do is you can type the shit in. Just make sure you type in the proper shit, because it's just like 70, 140, you know what I'm saying? It's like, if you're working in a 70, 140.
Got my main bitch and she stay giving me brain.
And then you fucking done, and sometimes Edison doesn't get the BPM properly, you know, virtual DJ gets the BPM better, and it's like, if you go on the online shit, is usually not as good as virtual DJ. I don't know why virtual DJ is so good. I'm just saying, and I have no problem with image line, but it's like, the fuck, man, like, it could be like a lot more easier to fucking do it. I don't even know how to do the stem shit. Is it even fucking worth it? Okay, so the track's done, and now I'm gonna talk even more because I'm a fucking dumbass. Oh, you guys wanna hear me talk about effects? I'm gonna talk about effects now. You wanna make one of these ones? Sure, just go on a fucking Vegas, the gradient, you know what I'm saying? Get the gradient, get the colors right. Get the colors, whatever kind of colors you want out of that shit. And a chroma key, that's the green screen shit. So basically, do that shit, and you can make it just like that. That's that easy, man.
Trapaholics mixtape.
Tackling heavy in the streets. It's a drought, and my voice will make your eyes pump up. I can't never get my stance, cause I always lose count. I can't never keep no bitch, cause I put my rules out. I was coached up, and I'm telling it, selling it. You can check my rap sheet, know my best enemies. I took 23 stacks, and bought some jet skis. They'll get it from the club, gotta arrest me. I'm fresh, green, John Street, and your partners on track me. I'ma test me, now I got a bad 20. Every time they swing my dough, I count 18, 5. Every time they swing my dough, swing my dough, swing my dough. Yeah, the price is real low, they gon' set you up and down. Every time they swing my dough, swing my dough, yeah, now they swing my dough. And it's 18, 5. Every time they swing my dough, swing my dough, swing my dough. Yeah, the price is real low, they gon' set you up and down. Every time they swing my dough,
Bridge 1017.
Addicted to the pesos, man. Addicted to that dinero, you know what I mean?
Scream, scream.